Well, Apple always trying to be greener and more eco-friendly. They've taken that up a notch with the packaging, or what they've left out of the packaging with the new iPhone. I've got an iPhone 12 here. You'll notice how much skinnier it is compared to the older iPhones. Well, anything pre-iPhone 12. Dramatically, almost half the size. That's because they don't put in the charger or the headphones anymore. All you get is the cable on this here. So you'll notice it's still got the Lightning, but now using a USB-C connector. So you can either use an old iPhone charger and your old iPhone cable, no problem. But if you do want to use the USB-C, obviously you have to have a charger that accepts that input. So for those people that still want to have the actual charger and headphones, there are accessories out there. We're going to have a look at some Logiix stuff here. They're the first ones that we've come across. This is the Logiix Essential Kit. This is what's missing in the iPhone box now. So you essentially get not only the earbuds, but you also get the charger as well. Let's see if we can get this out of here. It's kid-proof or mic-proof. Yes, so you get an 18-watt fast charger. So that will work in conjunction with the new cable. And you also get a pair of Logiix classic Jolt earbuds here as well. They've got the Lightning connector, and they kind of look like the old Apple earbuds. Well, not old, but the current Apple earbuds. So again, if you do need something like that, definitely have a look at the Logiix Essential Kits. And again, there's going to be a bunch of other manufacturers that'll have this stuff available as well. They do have a lot of other accessories. If you just need the power adapter, they've got different versions of this. They've got, this one's the Power Plus 30. They've also got a Power Plus 65 watt. The cool thing about these ones is that not only will they charge your new iPhone, but if you've got a MacBook, you can plug the cable into this as well. So kind of dual purpose. You can never have too many of these. The nice thing too is that they're tiny compared to some of the laptop chargers that are out there on the market right now. So I'll just pull this one out. You can see I'm really doing a nice job of extracting it. Look how tiny that is. So it's not going to charge, this one won't charge as fast as a 60 watt or an 80 watt charger, but it still will charge up your MacBook and, like I said, the iPhone as well. And of course, if you just need the earbuds, they've got their Jolt earbuds, and these have got the Lightning connector that will plug right into the bottom of the iPhone. And all sorts of cases. And so they've got everything from the silicone cases to the clear cases, depending on what model you get. So they will work very well with the new iPhones as well. They do work with the Qi chargers. They don't have the little magnetic thing on the back like some of the Apple ones do, but these still will give you a bit of a click onto the back. So it does make sure that you do have a clean connection there, so you don't wake up in the morning with a dead battery. So if you are missing earbuds and a power adapter, a lot of different manufacturers are going to be coming out with this. This is the first coolest one we've come across, the Logiix Essential Kit.